Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a sweet song here from Jeff Satur. Yes, it's been before on this channel, not too many times, so it's about time. And we have this song called Golden Nights, When Miracles Happen. Alright, so we love these nights. Now let's go into it, and it's a very straightforward, simple string pattern, calm and easy. Don't have to rush anything here, and we have the same chord progression through the entire song. Let's go into the setup. And you can see we have the capo here on the second frets. That's the best scenario for us. And with that, we have 5 different chords. So we're gonna go into the chords, and we're gonna start with the C major 7. Okay, so we're gonna have a lot of 7s here and a little bit of that jazzy feeling. C major goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the A minor 7. So that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the D7 sus2. Okay, so open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then comes the G6. So 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the G13. So from that G6, you just add on that 3rd fret D string. Everything else is the same. So that gives us 3rd E, 2nd A, 3rd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so very easy. Like I said, we're going to look into the strumming pattern here. Grab the first chord, C major, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so you're going to start with 3 downs. And then comes clap, down, down. And that's it. So 3 downs, clap, down, down. So basically 6 downs, but we have the beat there on the 4th down. So either you go with that clap or you really emphasize that 4th down. It's up to you if you don't want to have a clap included. So you could play like this. That way, I really suggest you go with all the way down on that 4th down, so to really get a full pointy kind of downstroke there, more emphasized than on the ones. Okay, so that is 1 string around, and you're gonna play C major 2 string rounds, then A minor 2, then D7 2, then the G6 1, and G13 1. And you just roll that through the entire song like this. C. G6 and 13. And there we have it, guys. Not too hard. Jeff Satur, Golden Nights, sweet song, like I said. So give it a try, alright? And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like I did, then give me a like on this one. Enjoy that and appreciate it a lot. So thank you for watching. Be back for next time and play tuned.